Hi there, this is Jerry Coates from Rigetti High School. I am going to show you how to run a report in Zoom to show your attendance. So one thing that's important is this has to be done from the browser. It can't be done from the Zoom app. That may change at some point, but for right now, you need to go to zoom.us and you are going to sign in. And when you sign in, well, most of us are signing in through the SSO. But you come up to this page, and what we need to do is we are going to find reports. Okay, so from reports, we have usage and a meeting report. So we want to go to the usage report, create a date range of the report that you want. So say you want a report for all of last week's classes. So from September 28th to October 2nd, and I'm going to hit search. And now it's going to show me every Zoom that I had in that meeting or in that date range. So this is a week's worth of Zooms. So you will come over, and these are blue, and it will tell you who was involved. So most of mine are individual ones. This must have been a group one. So this will show me, I clicked on the, let me go back a step. So I'm going to click on the number to get that report. Okay, and it is going to tell me who all was in it, how long they were in it, okay, the email address for those signed in. We can check show unique users, which will help because a lot of times we have students or participants that bounce out and back in. So if we do show unique users, my list gets a little bit shorter. Okay, and so then I can export with meeting data, which shows how long the meeting was, how many participants there were total, the date and time. If you are doing attendance reports, particularly for an IEP, this is really important data to include. So I'm going to include export with meeting data, show unique users, and then I'm going to hit the export button. Okay, so then it will download to the bottom left of your screen, which just so happens to be outside of my recording area. I'm going to click to open, and we'll see if it will open. It downloads a CSV file, and it left the viewing area. Okay, but if you don't see it down on the bottom left, Control J is how you can access it. And then when you open it up, if you are on a PC, it should automatically open in Excel. I'm on my MacBook, so it tries to use the Apple version of spreadsheets, which I don't even know what it's called. But then you have that information that you can use in a meeting. So if you have any questions, please give me a holler. An email works the best. So gcoats@smushed.org. Thank you very much. Have a great day.